Okay, it reaches crest at this time 11:10. Okay, so we return to here and see 11:10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, half the volume, G01, and up here we've got, okay, and now from that to this, or maybe that, 64, G01 this time, G01, there we go. Now why I'm doing every other row is because I'm trying to fine-tune the portamento so that it pitches down slower than speed 1 at the current speed of the song or soundtrack or whatever. Okay, right got there. Now take it up, Control J, that's the one. Okay, now finding out when it speeds up again. Approximately 11:24, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And it's not such a big drop, so it only speeds up so much, so maybe less. 32, G1, G1. Oh, when does it stop? Accelerating. That there, shall we say. That is 13:11. 13:11, okay. Counter 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and now this is when 48 comes into the picture. Control J, and so on and so forth. Sometimes the coaster accelerates slower than the acceleration of the pitch, so you may have to space these even more. Sometimes the pitch hasn't had a time to pitch all the way up, so you may have to continue on the pitch some more. By the way, a nice good thing to have at the beginning of every pattern would be your previous pitch, your previous volume, and then a G. That's the highest number in hexadecimal. What this does is so that next time you play, you only want to play this pattern, you'll know where your pitch is. Now, scrolling down to 1925. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either count all the way down or count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 48. Full pitch. G01. And just Okay, 21, 21. And then we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is when it starts. And G. And you just continue on like this. Just continue on like this until the end of the movie clip. Pitch up, pitch down, fade, fade in, fade out. Any extra sounds you want to add. You know, those kind of things. Here's one for you. Tunnels. Okay, everyone's question now. How do you make tunnels? Well, you could Google it, but I'll tell you. You need this thing called Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 Soaked, an expansion pack. Anyway, as I was saying about tunnels, you've probably rode some roller coasters in real life, or possibly a tram or train that goes into a tunnel. You suddenly notice that your ears pop, and that suddenly the train sounds get very loud. Yeah, how to do that? Why, you simply do like this. Mark out when you go into the tunnel, and apply another one. But starts off with no volume. Then you kind of fade it in a little bit. Or a lot. Whichever you choose. If you have any echo plugins, you may use those as well. And then find the time when you get out of the tunnel. Right here I have a little something or other that steps out of the tunnel for a smidgen. We mark here a C4. C4? Actually, not quite out of the tunnel. We're still indoors, but anyway. And then loop and back in at 30 speed. You'll have to, these are just some random values I'm putting out. You'll have to listen and experiment to what there is. Brakes. Yes, how to do brake sounds. There are several sounds you can use as brakes, but I'm gonna show you how I did some of them in, say, the limb launched or other stuff. Let's see now. What one does is one sees when the whole brake has disappeared under you, and then, well, it's a bit of a guesswork. Let's see now. Supposing that the brake clenches as the train comes in, we shall start at 3609. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I've already gone ahead and pitched the sound, but anyway, let's see now. It says here, sound 2. My recorded chip noise. And then apply like so. Next time we hit a brake, let's see now. Long break, then short at 3612. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12.